just like a dream. Yeah, you and me. Can't help I feel it's so unreal. Stay high with you. Your silhouette makes me forget all of my fears. Just disappeared when I'm with you. Ooh, 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 I give you a taste. Now when you with me, you can have your cake. Just love me like you do. Oh, love me like you do. Oh,
Hey y'all, I'm Maddie and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be creating my YouTube filming studio. So if y'all would like to see how this room turned out and the little nicks and the knacks that I bought to turn this room into what it currently is, then please stay tuned and continue watching. Alright you all, so this is my filming room in quotation marks. Today I will be redoing this room. This isn't how it normally looks, but this is how it looks right now, because I had kind of already rearranged some things for the videos that I was planning to film. So what I'm going to do is move some of this stuff around and make it more functional to be a YouTube studio for me. So hopefully you all definitely enjoy this content, and yeah, I guess we'll go ahead and get to work. Okay, so I have removed pretty much everything off of this side of the room besides those little jumpsuits right there. I will have a haul coming with those soon, so that is why they are just kind of stuck there until the rest of my things come in. But this is the other side of the room, and I've hung up all of the clothes that were on the other side. And let me tell you, okay, that was a workout. I just got a nice little arm workout in. So yeah, and I think that on top of this shelf here, I think I'm going to do shoes. So I'm going to line a bunch of shoes up all across, and on this side I think I'm going to do purses. So let's just see how this turns out for me. I got this lip pillow for $17.99 and I absolutely love this pillow. It is actually bigger than I thought it would be. Clearly I did not look at the measurements. I think that it is so cute, though. I've never seen anyone with pillows like this, and I'm like, why doesn't anyone else have these within their home or within their beauty rooms or whatever the case may be? So I decided to buy it for my filming room. Now these two things actually came in a set together. I was just going to buy the Amazon Echo Show alone, but when I saw that I can get both of these together for just a few dollars more, I was like, girl, why not? So I ended up buying them both together, but I will tell you all the prices separately. For the Amazon Echo Show, just to get the Amazon Echo Show, it was $99.99. But both of these combined, they took the price up to, I think, $104. And I'm like, just a few bucks more? Are you serious? So I decided to go ahead and get them both.
my mind says stop, but my heart is screaming out. Don't go, just leave. No say with me, I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind.
Okay, so this is my room, and what I came in here to share with you all is that I love the Echo Show devices so much that I have an Echo Show 5 on my nightstand, and I also have an Echo Show 8 on my dresser. So if that does not show you how much I love these Echo Show devices, I don't know what will. These are awesome devices. I love them for all the smart home things that I like to do, like let's say, Alexa, turn off a lamp. These are just everything, and I would definitely recommend them to everyone. So definitely check them out. I will leave a link down below so that you can purchase your very own Echo Show. I have not got around to trying the camera out, but anyone who knows me knows that I am a connoisseur for the Amazon Echo Shows as well as for Amazon devices in general.
No stay with me, I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. Just leave. No stay with me, I'm incomplete.
Then I got a canvas picture. I love pictures like this. I typically get them at Burlington or at Marshall's or TJ Maxx, but I haven't been out of the house to go to the store, so I decided to order this particular one on Amazon, and I bought this one for a small wall in my room that was just completely empty, completely bare. So I decided to throw this picture up there for the meantime and in between time.
I am a woman, not here to please you. It's time to move on, cause my time is now. I am a woman.
Then this is kind of random, but I'm actually thinking that when this gets here, I will put the lip pillow somewhere in this room also. But it is actually a headrest pillow for your car, and also a pillow as in lip pillow for your car or wherever you'd like to put it. If you all would like to see me decorating my car, please let me know down below, because actually I bought these two pillows for my car. I thought that they would be so cute, and the theme of my car has a little Betty Boop in it, so I just thought that the lips went perfectly, you know, with my girl Betty Boop. I'm thinking that I might actually put this lip pillow somewhere in this room, so that is why I bought that.
Oh, I never knew love would come and find me one day. Oh, I never knew that you would be the one headed.
But yeah, that's it. That's all I have for you guys today. Comment down below your thoughts and opinions. If you don't have anything to say, just leave a star, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.